Hey there, developers! Prasad Polarapu here, and today I'm diving into something that could completely change the way you approach your projects: DevSecOps. So, what exactly is DevSecOps? It stands for Development, Security, and Operations, and it's not just another buzzword. It's a framework that weaves security into every phase of the software development lifecycle. Think of it as adding an extra layer of protection to everything you build from the get-go. Traditionally, security has been a last-minute addition, often causing delays and headaches. But with DevSecOps, security becomes a shared responsibility. Everyone, yes, you too, gets involved from day one. This means fewer vulnerabilities slip through the cracks, and you avoid those nasty surprises right before launch. Now, let's talk about the how. It's all about collaboration, automation, and clear processes. By working together and using automated tools, you can spot and fix issues early on, making the entire development process smoother and more secure. Imagine catching a bug during the first sprint rather than scrambling to fix it during deployment. Feels good, right? And here's another win. DevSecOps can actually speed up your development cycle. By integrating security measures into your CI/CD pipeline, you streamline the process. No more bottlenecks or last-minute fixes. You deliver faster with confidence. So, if you're still on the fence about adopting DevSecOps, think about the peace of mind it brings. You get to innovate and code, knowing that security is built into your workflow. It's a game changer, folks. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Take these insights and start integrating security into your development process. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Catch you in the next video. Happy coding!